So in today's episode, we're going to talk about planning and how we can focus on specific tasks that we need to get done. And on the other side, how we can keep some opportunity time, some almost free time, but not really opportunity time, where we will have a certain direction to go, certain vision to follow, but without really a specific outcome that is expected at the end of that time. And that's where and when we can create and we can over-deliver with new opportunities, new ideas. Marketing Automation Ninja. Hi everyone, so welcome to my, I would say recurring jogging. That's what I do usually on Tuesday. And today it's snowing and honestly it's great. I could have stayed in front of the fireplace and in the warm inside. But no, I really like to challenge myself, and it's not because it's snowing a bit that we should stay inside. So all that to say that focus is very important. When you have tasks to achieve, you need to plan those tasks. You need to plan the time when you're going to get them done, and to be sure that you will get them done by the end of the time blocks that you defined. So that's the first thing. But that's perfect for all the tasks that you really master. Now, if you want to grow, if you want to achieve new things, to just get to the next level, you also need to learn. And in order to learn, you need to have what I would call an opportunity time. Basically, this morning when I put on my sneakers and I went to have a run, I did not thought about creating a video, creating a podcast episode. But like the energy was so good, I was so having some fun and pleasure to be here that I wanted to share it with you. And that's an opportunity. And that's exactly what opportunity time is all about. It's about moving towards a certain direction, basically working on my health, having fun, being good time. But in addition to that, I have an opportunity to create something good, so I take it. And I have the time for it because it is not a very constrained time. The opportunity time is a longer time block where we can have, and we know that we will have few hours before our next meeting, our next deadline, etc. So we are free to create something outstanding, something that was not thought, that was not anticipated. And that's definitely something that I would like you to invite to do. I don't know how you organize your schedule, and actually just work on that. And that's just some ideas. I'm not telling that you should copy exactly what I do, but having some intense time, some very focused time when I basically move from one topic to another, from one meeting to another, back to back, and having some other time, usually for me, more in the morning, where I am focused on more long-term things, where it's more about opportunity time, where I can, at some point, deviate a little bit without procrastinating. I am not procrastinating right now. I deviated a little bit of what I wanted to do something that is good, that I feel good doing right now, and which is going to give value to me, to people around me, etc., etc. So I hope it helps. It was just some thoughts that I wanted to share with you today. Sending you a lot of energy and wishing you a great day. And let me know in the comment on YouTube or Instagram, how do you organize your day? And what's your secret sauce in order to be effective? Wishing you a great day, and let's get some work done. Record content, create content. That's all what matters if you want to become a content producer and an influencer at some point. See you. Marketing Automation Ninja.